You thought you was slick, but you slipping, yeah, yeah. Almost had me thinking you was different, yeah, yeah. Now I'm out here.
What's up, y'all? I'm chilling on ones and twos, never the threes. I was the four.
What's up, fam?
You get on my nerves.
What's up, y'all?
So, guys, today we are going to do the guess the brand, off brand. I don't know what it's called, pop challenge. So yeah, expect burping in this video, of course. And you ready? I got my assistant here, so he's gonna put off brand and name brand pop here, and I have to guess which is which.
Yes.
So let's get started. I have my headphones, my blindfolds here. They say do not disturb. Don't ask no question.
You ugly.
I ask no questions. You ready, babe?
Yeah.
All right. Wait, let me buy my phone myself. Okay. Wait, okay. Here we go. I'm excited.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are the fans ready?
Of course.
All right, let's get started. Let's see.
Come on. I feel like I'm ugly.
Come on.
Okay. And all you gotta do is love me. I know you wanna own me. I'm so hungry.
What we eating after this?
We about to eat seafood joint.
All right. Reach down and drink.
I don't know where I'm reaching down to.
Okay.
I don't want to knock it
There's
over.
a cup right here.
Okay.
Do that one first.
Okay. I know it's root beer.
Correct. Try that one. Go down. Yeah.
Ooh.
This is gonna be the hardest, I think. Look at her, stone cold.
I'm gonna say this is name brand. This is off brand.
Ding, 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 ding.
All
ding,
right.
ding, ding. You got it.
I only said that
How did
because
you do that? Because that's hard.
this had more of the root beer kick, like
Okay. Gotcha.
kick. So this
All
is
right.
good though.
Correct. Drink them up. Drink them up.
I love root beer. It's my favorite
Yeah,
pop.
that's why I gave it to you first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cover up. Let me know you're ready.
Okay. Excuse me.
Uh-oh. Early.
Oh, excited. Oh, sorry.
All right.
Scare, pull up. Where you at? Oh, sorry. Like I keep hitting.
All right.
Okay, where am I going?
Straight down.
Whoa, this, can I scoot this over?
Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
want to
Sorry.
knock it over. Okay.
That's one right there.
Okay.
Yep.
I clean my palate. Okay, it's some type of Sprites of something.
Mm-hmm. It's tough.
I really don't know. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Come on, please. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. Name brand off brand.
Woo!
I was right.
You big
Oh my God. I know my pop, bro.
That was tough.
That was hard.
I'm impressed.
I don't know how I get that. They taste the same.
Down it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Whew. I'm getting full. Oh no.
No, you got 3 more.
Okay.
Just 6 cups left. You want?
Okay. I can do it. Come on.
All right.
Okay. That was
Got
good.
These. I see these. You know they doing them.
I feel like I'm messing my eyelashes all the way up. It's kind of spiced up in here. Is that fan on, love?
No. Yeah, it is. It is. But
Shoot.
you may begin. Hand straight down. Mm-hmm. I think this one's gonna be on the easier side. But you never know.
Grape pop.
Correct.
It's good.
You like that?
This one is not too carbonated, and it tastes flat, like watered down.
Mm-hmm.
So, name brand, off brand. Are you serious?
I'm serious. Lift up. Lift up.
I'm shook at this.
That's why I said this one gonna be
Wow.
hard. I'm shocked because that's the flatter one. Mm-hmm. So you would have thought this was. Yeah.
Oh, I like this better.
Off brand, huh?
I'm shook. Excuse me.
You ready? Are you
Yes.
blindfolded?
Yes, I am.
Okay. 2 more sets.
Okay.
Nasty.
You said I look nasty.
That's nasty. Go ahead. Hands down. No, like come down on the table. Don't
I
take
felt
me.
you. I felt you was near. Okay.
I'm just watching.
I don't want to do
I
this.
know, that's what I said. Nasty.
Oh.
Drink the other one. Come on. Get it done. And you got it down it.
No.
Yes.
I don't want too nasty. I don't know which is which because I don't want to taste it.
You know what it is though? What's the pop? What's the pop?
It's nasty cold.
Okay, now pick which is the off and which one is the real deal.
I don't care. I'm just gonna choose. Off brand. Wait, let me put these down.
Taste it again.
Off brand.
Taste it again. Like make a real decision.
Oh God. Okay. Coke. Well, they both Coke. Coca-Cola and the off-brand.
Ding, 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 ding.
How do y'all drink that?
It's disgusting.
Like,
as Kamari says, it's disgusting. Go on and sip that.
I don't want to.
One more, big girl. Cover up.
I don't want to drink that. Where's
You
the
need-
good pop?
You need to drink that pop. You can sell that. Hope you kept the receipt for that. Can't stand Coke, man.
Yeah, it's nasty.
This would be nice taste buds for you. Y'all can see. Don't look at me, bro.
Ben, can you not leave me because of my burp?
I already left.
Oh.
Sad man. You got it down. This pop is the last one, okay? It is good.
I'm getting full. Did I hit you?
No, go ahead.
Oh, I got burnt.
Get it out.
Hey.
That's
Why
what
you
I'm talking
do
about.
that? Why you help me?
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Straight down.
Okay.
That's a true test right here.
I smell it. It's orange.
Mm-hmm. You like that.
It's okay.
Okay.
Name brand, off brand.
Say it again.
Huh?
Say it again.
Where?
I didn't hear you.
Name brand, off brand.
Wrong.
Are you serious? What?
You're correct. I switched the pops.
Oh, I was about to say, I'm shocked. Like, why is the flavor one's different?
You're correct.
So I was right. What did I say? So this is name brand.
Yeah, but I
so
switched.
So the Sun Kiss.
I switched the cups and the pops.
Down
Down that. So she only missed one, y'all.
They both look good.
She only missed one, I believe, right? That was the Coke. Because Coke is just foul. No, you missed two.
Did I?
The grape. Remember, the grape was flat.
Yeah, I missed the grape.
You got the rest right.
Oh, so that's the only one?
Yeah. Yep.
Alright guys, so it's the end of the video. I got them all right besides one, which was the grape. And I got 2 wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the other one?
Coke.
I got that one wrong?
I think so.
Don't say you think, nigga. You know or not.
Did she get 2 wrong or not?
We gonna rewind the tape.
She did good.
You don't
overall.
remember. I really don't
Props.
remember.
You did good overall.
Thank you.
Very good.
Yeah.
Especially with the sun, because I switched.
I grew up on off-brand. You know what I'm saying? Papa Doc, my father. Wesley Danger's my father. So, you know, we grew up on off-brand. So, this is fun. I think you should do it next.
I'm going to kill it.
Whatever. Well, after he get his haircut, because he want to be on grandpa mode. But I'm going to catch y'all in my next video. Peace. Waste these pops. Oh. And woo! That wasn't too good. Woo! Alright, I'm done. I don't want to see pop no more.